Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. Generally, COOH functional group is known as acid functional group. COOH functional group is known as acid functional group. So it is monocarboxylic acid. HCOOH, this is known as formic acid. Formic acid means generally it is a Latin word. Formica means ant. So formic acid found in ants only. Acetic acid H3COOH, acetic acid. So generally acetic acid found in vinegar. These are the monocarboxylic acid examples. But dicarboxylic acids means those acids having two COOH groups. Two COOH group. Those acids having two COOH groups. So they are known as dicarboxylic acids. Dicarboxylic acids. But how to remember that these all dicarboxylic acids for competitive exams, NEET, JEE Mains and other competitive exams. Please follow my trick. One single word. That single word only useful to identify the trick in all dicarboxylic acids. Before going to learning the trick, please students follow fundamentals are the important in all organic, physical and inorganic chemistry, and basics are important. First learn all theory, then start trick only. Here also dicarboxylic acids having two COOH groups. The best trick is Ohm's gap. Ohm's gap. Ohms means O means oxalic acid, M means malonic acid, S means succinic acid, G means glutaric acid, A means adipic acid, so P means pimlic acid. These are the important acids to remember the dicarboxylic acids. Oxalic acid having only 2 carbons, malonic acid having 3 carbons, now succinic acid having 4 carbons, glutaric acid having 5 carbons, adipic acid having 6 carbons, pimlic acid having 7 carbons. I want to draw one by one structures, these dicarboxylic acid structures. For example, this is COOH, COOH. Now this is oxalic acid, oxalic acid having 2 carbons only. Next, in between COOH add 1 carbon, it becomes to malonic acid. Malonic acid formula COOH, CH2, COOH. This is malonic acid 1, 2, 3 carbons. In between COOH add 2 carbons, it becomes to succinic acid. How to adding this? CH2, CH2, COOH, COOH. This is succinic acid. Succinic acid. Add 1 more carbon means it becomes to glutaric acid. So what is glutaric acid? CH2, COOH, CH2, CH2, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Here 3, here 2 carbons. Now this is glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Next, 6 carbons means adipic acid. CH2, 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 COOH, COOH. This is known as adipic acid. 7 carbons means adding 7 carbons in between COOH, COOH, CH2, CH2, COOH. Here CH2, 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 COOH. Now this is Pimlic acid. Pimlic acid. Now this is pimlic acid. Okay. So this is the trick for dicarboxylic acids. Ohm's gap, oxalic acid, Ohm's gap. Just remember Ohm's gap word only. This is malonic acid. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid, pimlic acid. These are the 6 acids, dicarboxylic acids. This is the word to remember, so for trick purpose. But how to identify the heating effect in dicarboxylic acid? I want to give one more trick. If N equal to 0 or 1 carbon is there anywhere, N equal to 0 and 1 carbon is there, so in heating effect just eliminate CO2 functional group in dicarboxylic acid. Now in between COH there is no CH carbon. There is no carbon means 0. In between COH 1 carbon is there, means we have to eliminate in heating effect CO2 only. If N equal to number of carbons are 2 or 3 is there, so just in heating effect eliminate H2O functional group. In between dicarboxylic acids having 2 or 3 carbons, here 2 carbons are there, here 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, just eliminate water molecule only. This is how to identify the heating effect in dicarboxylic acid. If N equal to 4 or 5 is there in heating effect, just eliminate CO2 and H2O. In between dicarboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, eliminate in heating effect CO2 and H2O. In between dicarboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, 4 carbon means we have to eliminate in heating effect CO2 and H2O. How to eliminate the in heating effect means, just remember that please. I am heating in this oxalic acid. Now in oxalic acid, COH in between functional group, any carbon is there? No carbon. No carbon means 0 carbon. 0 carbon means heating effect. So we have to eliminate only CO2 functional group. Only CO2 functional group means just eliminate this CO2 functional group. So what is the product? HCOOH means this is formic acid. Formic acid we are getting. Next. In between COH, how many carbons are there? 1 carbon is there. 1 carbon means we have to eliminate in heating effect CO2 only. CO2 means just remove this CO2. So CH2H COOH means CH2H means CH3COOH. CH3COOH means this is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Now in succinic acid, heating in this succinic acid. Heating in this succinic acid means in between COH 1, 2 carbons are there, 2 or 3 carbons are there, just eliminate water molecule. Water molecule means here this is HO and this is H. H2O we are eliminating. H2O we are eliminating. So CH2, C double bond O. Okay, now this is anhydride. Anhydride. Next, here also in this heating effect we have to eliminate so 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, we have to eliminate water molecule. This is OH and this H, eliminate this water molecule. So CH2, C double bond O, C double bond O. Now this is also one type of anhydride. Now here heating in this 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. 4 carbons means in between dicarboxylic acid 4 carbons are there. Just eliminate CO2 and H2O. CO2 and H2O. We have to eliminate CO2 and H2O. CO2, okay, we eliminated, and H2O. H2O eliminated. So we are getting like this. CH2, CH2, CH2. Here one more CH2. Now here double bond O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentanone it is. Pentanone ketone only. Pentanone means ketone only. One type of ketone, pentanone we are getting. So pimlic acid we are heating in this. Dicarboxylic acid having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Remove CO2 group and H2O group. So we are getting like this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 means we are getting hexanone. This is hexane plus one, hexanone ketone only, hexanone. Here one CH2, here one CH2, 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 C double bond O. These are the all dicarboxylic acids. Trick to remember the dicarboxylic acid trick. The word is simple word is Ohm's gap. Ohm's gap means oxalic acid having 2 carbons, here 3 carbons, here 4 carbons, here 5 carbons, here 6 carbons, here 7 carbons. And in this heating effect, so what is the byproduct in heating effect means, just remember that in between COOH, CO 0, 1 carbons are there, eliminate CO2 group. 2 and 3 carbons are there, eliminate H2O group. 4 and 5 carbons are there, eliminate CO2 and H2O group. Okay, so put in practice these all oxalic acids, dicarboxylic acids. So definitely you will get an idea. So by using this video, I am giving heating effect and how to remember and how to write the dicarboxylic acids. Please practice number of times. This is the organic chemistry. Chemistry is the most evaporatable subject. Practice number of times, definitely be able to get so good marks and be able to get an idea how to write the dicarboxylic acids and how to remember this Ohm's gap word. So if you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.